Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we'll learn how to join all elements of an array into a single string while allowing customization through separators. This technique is useful in generating formatted output, creating CSV files, and dynamically building sentences. Let's get started. Instead of manually looping through an array and concatenating values, this method allows custom formatting with the minimal code. By specifying different separators, we can easily generate readable and structured outputs. This function efficiently joins an array to a string while handling custom separators and end separators. It checks if the current element is the last or second last, applying different separators accordingly. This makes it flexible and adaptable for various use cases. This approach ensures that all elements are correctly joined while avoiding trailing separators at the end. It is an efficient method that eliminates the need for manual string concatenation. This function correctly handles various separator and end separator cases, ensuring consistent and predictable output. Whether joining words, numbers, or other data, the function provides full control over formatting. This function is commonly used in data formatting, UI generation, and CSV export. Whether creating human-readable lists, generating reports, or processing API responses, it ensures clear and structured output. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to dynamically join array elements into a formatted string while handling custom separators. This technique is useful for data processing, sentence generation, and list formatting. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.